What is a homophone? Homophones are words that are pronounced the same but differ in meaning or spelling. The term is derived from the Greek language where homo means same and phone means voice or sound. They can be categorized into several types depending on their characteristics. Worn, worn. Wart, wart. Waste, waste. Way, way. Way. We. Weak, weak. Where, where. Weather, weather. Way, way. Wait, wait. Wet, wet. Whales, whales. Wheel, wheel. Wet, wet. Wind, wind. World, world. Woe, woe. Whose, whose. Why, why. Wind, wind. Whist, whist. Which, which. Woe, woe. One, one. Wood, wood. War, war. World, world. Worn, worn. Rack, rack. Wrap, wrap. Wrapped, wrapped. Reek, reek. Wreath, wreath. Rest, rest. Right, right. Right. Ring, ring. Right, right. Rife, rife. Rife. Wrong, rung. Wrote, wrote. Wrought, wrought. Rye, rye. You, you. You. Yoke, yoke. Your, your. Your. Yule, yule. Your, your. 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 Yule, yule. Aid, aid. Effect, effect. Illusion, illusion. Allowed, allowed. Alter, alter. Amoral, immoral. Appraise, apprise. Assent, assent. Oral, oral. Balmy, barmy. Bard, bard. Bear, bear. Barren, barren. Basque, basque. Bazaar, bizarre. Beach, beach. Beat, birth, birth. Build, build. Blue, blue. Block, block. Bore, bore. Boulder, boulder. Bow, bow. Boy, buoy. Braze, braze. Break, break. Breach, breach. Brooch, brooch. Burr, burr. But, but. Buy, buy. Buy. Cash, cash. Call, call. Canvas, canvas. Capital, capital. Carrot, 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 seed, seed, sell, sell, scent, 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 cereal, cereal, chaste, chaste, cheap, cheap.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.